Your savings from a plug-in solar kit will depend primarily on three factors. Firstly, where your panel is placed, meaning location and orientation. Secondly, your electricity fee. The higher it is, the faster your payback will be. And thirdly, of course, how much you paid for your kit. For example, in the Czech Republic, a standard 400-watt solar module like this one at a 20 to 40 degree angle will produce around 440 kilowatt hours annually. And with an average electricity tariff there of 33 cents per kilowatt hour, save up to 145 euros. With a store price of around 450 euros, the kit will have paid for itself after about 3 to 4 years. In sunny Bulgaria, the same module will produce up to 600 kilowatt hours. But due to heavily taxpayer-subsidized electricity from nuclear power and coal, and thus a low average energy tariff of only 12 cents per kilowatt hour, the solar module can only save you about 70 euros per year. With a similar store price, it would take 6 to 7 years to reach payoff. Some tariffs vary during the course of the day, though, which has to be factored in as well. Get information about your electricity tariff from your supplier, and with a few quick calculations you can find out how much money your system can potentially save you individually. The actual savings, though, also depend on your electricity usage. Your basic household appliances like your refrigerator, freezer, alarm clock or internet router will make use of a large part of your self-made electricity right away. If you adapt your other usage to consume more of your solar power when there is a lot of it available, or if you add a battery to make the energy available in the sunless hours as well, you will be able to make the most out of your plug-in solar kit. In any case, if you use it correctly, your plug-in solar kit will pay for itself within just a few years. And because they have become very cheap and durable, it will do so multiple times over.